Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails without any graphic design skills. I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step method using free tools, so stick around until the end. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really keeps me motivated to bring you more content like this. First, head over to YouTube and search for the idea behind your video. In this tutorial, I'll type in text to video and hit the search button. Now scroll through the results and click on a video that fits your idea. Once you've selected the video, the next step is to download its thumbnail. To do that, copy the video link from the address bar and head over to any thumbnail downloader. I recommend using this one. Link is in the video description. Now paste the video's link into the text box, and just like that, the thumbnail will appear. Click the download button to save it to your device. Next, go to ChatGPT and upload the thumbnail you just downloaded. Paste this prompt into the chat and hit enter. ChatGPT will analyze the thumbnail and generate an image prompt for you. Copy that prompt, then head over to this tool called VidIQ. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see the homepage like this. This platform has lots of features, but for this tutorial, we're using the Create Thumbnail tool. Click on it, then paste the image prompt into the text box and hit Create. In just a few seconds, your thumbnail will be ready. To save it, click the download button in the top right corner, and it's all yours. Now, this is the result of the thumbnail we copied. And that's how you can create eye-catching thumbnails without spending a dime. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.